To set up a plan, tap Air Conditioning and scroll down to Departure Planner. Here, you can customize your desired temperature. If your vehicle is also equipped with auxiliary heater, you can choose whether you want to use it for heating. You can also set the minimum charge level, which the battery should reach regardless of your settings within the plans. To customize your departure plans, select one of them and set whether you want the car to be charged, air-conditioned, or both. Then choose whether you want to set the car for a one-time departure or repeatedly on selected days, for example, every working day, and the time you want the car to be ready. Set the required battery charge level, the current, and if you prefer to charge during the off-peak period. Finally, click on Save to store your settings. We wish you a smart ride with Departure Planner and hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.